Where did that money go? Of course, in the pockets of the PNP. The PNP elite. That's where the money went. Andrew Holness is able to come in and manage the economy. He cut Jamaica debt to GDP ratio down to 60%. I think it's what? 60% or 68 or 60%. Yeah, 68% actually. It is 68%. And by 2030, Jamaica debt to GDP ratio is going to be below 50%. What does that mean for the average person? It means that the government is able to spend money on social programs. The government not have to take talk from the IMF. When last you hear the Jamaican government talking to the IMF for money? When last? When last you hear the Jamaican government say them are going to find money? When last? With Andrew. Andrew is able to say, okay, this is in the budget. This is how we're going to manage this budget. This is what we can spend on. He managed the economy. We don't have to go to the IMF anymore. We don't want to go to the IMF. Jamaica, in fact, finna have nothing to do with the IMF once we pay them off. We need to stay away from the IMF. I don't want us to be short-sighted as people and say, put Marky Joe in because he promised us this and promised us that.